Leetcode Daily Challenge. It is a medium problem, 3577. Count the number of computer unlocking permutations. I don't really understand why this is a medium problem because the solution for this one is pretty straightforward. All we ask to do is to find out the permutation of these numbers. Since we already have number 0 decrypted and all we need is a permutation order of this array from 1 to n minus 1. So the permutation of n minus 1 and n minus 1. That's all we need. Then how we calculate this permutation? It will be factorial n minus 1. But the only corner cases we have to pay attention is if there's number that is greater than number 0, then it is impossible. Or if there's something in this array equals to the number 0, same thing, it's impossible because we can only decrypt the password for that computer if the complexity of that computer is less than number 0. That's why these cases will be impossible. But other than that, this is a pretty straightforward solution. Just use one function, factorial. That'll be all.